Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve an interesting geometry problem. We have two circles. The radius of both circles are 10 unit, and both of this circle lies on this straight line, and there is a square which is on the line, and these two corner touches these two circles. We have to find the area of this square. Consider this is the center of this circle and this is the center of the second circle. Now draw a perpendicular line on this line from the center of this circle. So this will be, now this line will meet the common point of this circle and this line. Again, join this corner and this center. Finally, extend this side of this square. This will be perpendicular to this line. As the radius of this circle is 10 unit and this line indicate the radius of this circle, so this will be 10 unit. Consider the side length of this square is twice x unit. The side length is twice x, so this length will also be twice x. So this length will twice x. And as the total length of this line is 10 unit, because this is the radius and this is twice x, so this will be 10 minus twice x. Now join the center of these two circles. Now draw a perpendicular line from this common point to this side length of this square. And this line divide this side equally. So this length will be x, as this total length is twice x. And this is the radius. So this is 10 unit and this is x unit. So this length will be 10 minus x unit. Now focus on this right angle triangle. The hypotenuse of this triangle is 10 unit and height is 10 minus twice x and base is 10 minus x unit. Now applying Pythagoras theorem to this triangle, we can write this 10 minus twice x square. So height square, which is 10 minus twice x square plus this base square 10 minus x square is equal to this hypotenuse square, which is 10 square. Now simplifying, applying formula a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square. So we can write 10 square, this is 100 minus twice ab, that means 10 times twice x times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4 times 10 is 40 and this x plus b square, that means twice x square, which is 4x square is equal to, similarly applying this formula here, we get 10 square, this is 100 minus this 10 times x times 2, this will be 20x, and b square, that means plus x square, is equal to right side 10 square is 100, or this 4x square and this x square, this will be 5x square, and this negative 40x and negative 20x, this is negative 60x, and 100 and this 100 will cancel and this 100 will remain, is equal to right side is 0. Now divided both side by 5, we get x square minus 60 divided by 5 is 12x plus 100 divided by 5 is 20, is equal to 0. Or now this can be written as factor of x minus 20 is 10 times 2 and 10 plus 2 is 12. So this will be x minus 10 times x minus 2 is equal to 0. So the value of x, this will be 10 or this 2. Now this length is 10 minus x, so x is always less than this 10. So the value of x is not allowed. So the value of x is equal to only 2. So the side length of this square, this will be twice x, which is 4. So this is the side length of the square. So the area of this square will be side length square, which is twice x square, is equal to, as the value of twice x, which is 4, so this is 4 square, is equal to 4 square is 16, and this is the area of this square. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.